Household chores are everyday tasks we do at home to keep everything clean and organized. Today we learn 5 important words: clean, wash, sweep, vacuum, and do laundry. These words help you talk about home activities in English. Here are 10 common household chores in English. Clean means removing dirt from surfaces. Wash means using water and soap on dishes or clothes. Sweep means using a broom on the floor. Vacuum uses a machine to suck up dust. Do laundry means washing clothes. Clean is a general word for removing dirt, dust, or stains from any surface. You clean tables, floors, windows, and bathroom areas. To clean means to wipe, scrub, or polish until something looks shiny and fresh again. Wash means to clean something using water and soap. We wash dishes after eating, wash clothes in the washing machine, and wash our hands before meals. Washing removes grease, food, and dirt completely. Sweep means to clean the floor using a broom. You push dirt, dust, and small pieces into a pile, then pick them up. Sweeping works well on hard floors like tile, wood, or concrete before mopping. A mop is a cleaning tool with strings or a sponge on a long handle. To mop means to clean floors using water and soap with the mop. Mopping is perfect for sticky floors in kitchens and bathrooms. Vacuum means using a vacuum cleaner machine that sucks up dust and dirt with strong air power. You vacuum carpets, rugs, and floors to remove tiny particles a broom cannot catch. Vacuuming is modern floor cleaning. Do laundry means washing clothes, sheets, and towels in a washing machine. Laundry includes all dirty clothes waiting to be washed. After washing, you dry and fold the clean laundry. Dust means fine dirt particles that settle on furniture and surfaces. To dust means wiping shelves, tables, books, and decorations with a cloth to remove this thin layer of dust completely. You now know 7 essential household chores: clean, wash, sweep, vacuum, mop, laundry, and dust. Practice these words daily when you do chores at home. Regular practice makes English vocabulary permanent.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.